Day 2. We're cooking again. I'm making garlic shrimp spaghetti today. Because, well, initially my mom wanted me to cook chicken rice, but it's way too complicated. So instead we're gonna do basic pasta recipe. She doesn't like cream sauce. She hates red sauce. I have all my stuff here. So we need spaghetti, red peppers, parsley, the cheese is extra, olive oil of course, salt, pepper, garlic, and butter. So yeah, let's get started. Also, I have this thing on the wall that's holding my phone up, so now my phone is not down here and I don't have a perpetual double chin, so that's good. We're already making moves in production. Shrimp from the pancakes because I won't be able to cook for the next 3 weeks, so I have to use it out now. I'm gonna defrost. Okay, I don't remember how to cook pasta. The recipe says I need to cook the pasta until 2 minutes before al dente, but I don't even know what the heck that means, so I need to weigh the pasta. It has to be 7 ounces, whatever that means. How do you use this? On. Wait. Can I even show? Ta-da! 7 ounces. 7. Okay, well, that was 4.8. See, I keep having to alter recipes, but I'm not qualified to do that, so this could go really bad. But it seems like a lot of pasta here. Let me show you. Look at all that for one person. I'm sure it's fine. I don't know how much water I need. It doesn't seem like enough. Time to start chopping some stuff. Recipe book. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a skillet over medium heat. Add the shrimp. I peeled some garlic last night. Took me almost an hour because I'm that incompetent. Oh my god, I almost took my finger out. Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. I should not be trusted to cut tiny garlic cloves. Okay, I'm not even sure if this is how you're supposed to do it. It's on really low heat right now because I'm terrified. How are we doing, pasta? Are we dead yet? Okay, still cooking, still cooking. Oh my god! I bought mushrooms and I forgot. I can use that. It's not in the recipe. I forgot that I bought it. I don't know what to do. Got some pasta water. Looks gorgeous. I don't think that's how you cut portobello mushrooms. We will put 1 tablespoon of butter and then medium heat, add the shrimp. Okay, should I cook the shrimp or the mushroom first? We'll see what happens. And then cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? In the same pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Wow, that's a lot of butter. Mix in the olive oil. Add garlic. Cook until edges are lightly golden and stir in red pepper flakes. Add pasta. Add shrimp. Season with salt to taste. Okay, I understand. before she comes, I'm just gonna try a little bit and see how it is. I don't know if the pasta is cooked. Oh shit. Whatever. I mean, it's not hard. I mean, it is hard, but it's not like, no, it's not inedible, I think.
Okay. Oh no, I'm scared. Maybe a little bit more salt. Salt? Okay, let me get. But is it bad? It's okay. It is film. Give me a rating, please. If I'm way away from the camera, it's very hard to give you a rating. Hide your face with the sticker. If you keep moving, give you a rating. Maybe 6. Oh my god. What did you do me last time? 6.5? No, this is not good. If this is going on YouTube, I need to have some like improvement. Give me a higher score. Inflation a little bit. You want me to give you a higher score? 6.55. Give me that. Can I? 6.8. 6.8. Wow! 0.3%. 0.3% improvement. It's not forced out of you at all. Thank you.
So that was a bit of a fail. Like, I don't think the pasta. Okay, what went wrong? I have no idea. But one day I will be able to cook pasta properly. And when that day comes, I will look back on this video and laugh at myself, I guess. So even though I'm a bit embarrassed, I'm still gonna post this. Yeah.